Hello guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger. Please check your internet connection. If you are experiencing this kind of problem on your Messenger app, as you can see, please check your internet connection and try again. So all you need to do is first check your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. So you just go to notification panel, swipe down, and try to change your Wi-Fi connection into your data or change your data into your Wi-Fi connection to find out what's the problem on your internet connection. And then the second option that you're going to do right here is go to your settings. And then here on settings, go to app management or manage apps. Then find the messenger app right here. Then when you go to messenger, find the storage button. So go right there on the storage and need to clear the cache or maybe clear all data. So once you've done that, you can now check if that's still happening. Now the third option is go to Play Store and try to update your Messenger app. If you find an update button, you just tap on update so it will fix that issue on your Messenger. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.